Hi, my name is Jack Selinger, and for my final project, I'm going to be talking about the study abroad programs at ASU. So, if you're looking to find a study abroad program, the first thing to do is just to Google ASU study abroad, and then you can go to the website. Now, let's say that you want to find a program for your major. So, I'm going to do what my major is, which is sustainability. So we're going to go down here, click on that. And then there's all these different options down here. So I could go to China, Nepal, or I could go to Beijing. So all you have to do is click on one. Let's say I want to go to Hawaii. Then it gives me all this information about it. Like what area of study it is, GPA requirement, coordinator. And then I can look at all this information about cost. And then I can apply for it. Now, let's say I don't want to do something that's just for a specific major. I could just search and apply for a program, and I could search for something in a specific city. So if I wanted to go to like Antarctica, which isn't a country, but they have it under the countries, so that's okay. I'm just going to click on Antarctica and then click search. And there is one going to Antarctica, so yeah, that's all I really need to know about it. Yeah, so that's my little video presentation about the study abroad programs at ASU. It's very easy to find one that you're interested in and then just sign up for it, and then well, you have to apply, and then it's probably best to make an appointment at the Office of Study Abroad Programs, but it's not too difficult to find one that you're interested in doing.